I think I need to stop doing this. Namaste and welcome. How are you guys doing? So today we will do some lacy nail art because why not? So first of all, as usual, I will be using the Unt Peel Off Base Coat. Then I'm using this Stay Quirky nail polish. I actually forgot the name. I will mention it in the description bar below. This is a very sheer nail polish, but that's what we want. Then I am applying some liquid latex because stamping can be messy. Then I have this Holo top coat, which is what I will be applying before stamping. This is like real Holo. Can you guys see this? Okay, I need to stop doing this. So this is the stamping plate I am using with this white stamping polish and this stamper. Just apply some white polish, scrape it, pick it up and stamp the design. So that's basically it. Now you can see a little bit of my tip. That's the sexy look. And I still haven't found my tweezers. So there you go. Now I'm using this Whatsup nails cleaner brush to remove any nail polish we have on our skin. At the end I'm using this Glisten and Glow Glossy top coat, and that's basically it. The design is ready. Really simple. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you can watch more here or you can subscribe here if you would like to, and I will see you guys in my next one. Namaste.